How to replace the hinge covers.
Caution. Observe all precautions when removing and replacing components. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless LAN module, hard disk drive, base plate frame, display panel assembly, and display panel bezel. Note: your model may differ slightly from the one shown here, but the procedures are the same. Removal. Remove the two thin 2mm P1 Phillips head screws, one in each hinge cover, that secure the hinge cover to the display enclosure. Carefully pry up the hinge covers, releasing the thin locking tabs underneath, and remove them from the display enclosure. Important. Make note of how the display panel cable and wireless antenna cables underneath the hinge covers are routed for later replacement. Replacement. Confirm that the display panel cable and wireless antenna cables are appropriately routed and tucked in to avoid being pinched and damaged during replacement of the hinge covers. Carefully align each hinge cover with its thin locking tabs into the slots at the bottom of the display enclosure and over the screw holes. Press down on each hinge cover to lock it into place. Replace the two thin 2mm P1 Phillips head screws, one in each hinge cover, to secure the hinge covers to the display enclosure. Continue the reassembly. Replace the display panel bezel, display panel assembly, base plate frame, hard disk drive, wireless LAN module, battery, and base enclosure.